What's up guys, it's Andrew here with JTAM. I just wanted to do another 3D printing video. I did a couple more upgrades, figured I'd share them. I'm going to try to do either some upgrade videos or time lapses every couple days, just because they're fun, and why not? So the first upgrade is the wheel. It's super nice. I like it because of the fact that you can watch it move as it's feeding filament. What I also like is while you're feeding the filament manually, that's so much easier to turn than trying to push it in. I am also printing right now a drawer that will fit there, so I'll show you guys that when it's all done. Next, I did the power source fan vent, like the guide or the protector. I like it because one, I'm printing in my garage. I know my cover and my enclosure's on the way, but I like that because it'll keep the dust out at least till my enclosure comes. And then the next ones we did, I don't know if you can see, are the wire clips in there. I like those because I like to keep stuff clean and kind of tidy. So that helps tuck that real nice back in there. So once the drawer's fixed, or finished printing, I'll do a video on that. I'm hoping that a couple other upgrades that I've ordered will be here, so that way I can just wrap it all into one video. The upgrades I ordered are from Creality. They have the, I don't know, we'll explain them. So this whole setup here is all plastic. They have a red metal one that I've heard is really good. It's a little more reliable. And then I know they have an LED light that I have ordered, and then I'll have to print my mounting brackets, so that'll be kind of cool. And yeah, and then I think my enclosure is coming, but I'm looking forward to it. If you have any ideas, I'd love to print people's ideas, and if you have any suggestions, or if I'm doing something that you think I could be doing better, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, till next time, enjoy the videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.